Alright, today we're going to be doing an assembly video for a four-place kayak rack, but before we do that, I will be going through the hardware kit. This video is going to be an instructional video. You're going to find the glue, which you're going to need to glue the holes in the kayak rack for the arms and the crossrail holes and the feet holes. Right here you're going to find your 4-inch GRK screws. Your 3-inch GRK screws, which also have the T25 and T30 bits inside of them. You will find your 3-inch deck screws, and with these you want to make sure you get them on both sides of each arm. There are holes there, you just want to make sure you get them there. So basically this bag should be empty when you're done building the rack. You're also going to have extra screws, just in case you need them for something. Right here is the instructions that will come. As I said before, this video is aiding this set of instructions right here. And for the T25 and T30 bits, the T25 bit is for these small screws that are going to go next to the arms and also where the lower support posts are. You're going to need an extender as well, so that it'll be able to go in your drill. And it just goes in like that, and then all you have to do is pop it in there. You are going to need a drill for this, and also you're going to need a mallet or something to hit the things into that will not dent the wood. Today we're going to be building a 4-place kayak rack that you can buy from logkayakrack.com. And the first thing we're going to do is going to glue it about like a bead size in there, and then you're going to kind of swirl it around with whatever you have to swirl it around. You don't want to put too much, because otherwise it won't. So you're going to put the arm in like this, and you're going to hammer it in until it gets all the way in there that you need it. Okay, so now you got all of the arms in the rack. Okay, now we got both halves of the kayak rack done. We're going to glue each of the holes in the feet. So that one is glued. You're going to lay it down, and then you're going to hammer this foot in here like this. And then pick it up. I'm gonna pick it up like this. And you're gonna make sure this foot is aligned again, straight. So this looks pretty straight. So what you're gonna do, you take the last two 3-inch screws, put one in the pre-drilled holes that you see. So now you're going to set the rack down like this. You're going to glue the 2 holes that you see in the post right here. Glue, and then you're going to want to wrap it around just like last time as well. So this crossrail is an upper crossrail, and how you can tell that is there is a U written on the end of these tendons right here. So because it's an upper, you're going to put it on the top half of the kayak rack. Now you're going to take your lower crossrail, which is marked with an L on the tendon right here. You're going to go ahead and insert that on the bottom half. Glue both of these holes right here and here. You're going to lift it up like this, going to take these two halves and insert the cross rails into those two holes. You're going to hammer it into both sides like this. You're going to put one here on this end right here, and then another one on the bottom. There's a hole on each side of each arm that the 3-inch deck screws are supposed to go in. And you're going to make sure each arm is straight with the post. We're on to one of the last steps we have, which is placing these under the lower arms. So when you're inserting these, you just put one on each end. If you want to, you can use a level to see how level you can get it. Screw those in. 4 of these 3-inch deck screws goes on the bottom of each one of these lower arm supports. They go right here. There's 4 holes. You'll find 2 close together here and then 2 wider apart on the back side. So you're going to want to insert all of those. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy your new rack, and I really hope you enjoy your time on the water.